Guys, the Mac Doctor here, second tune on custom. Like always, a pleasure to have you guys back. Yeah, today I'm pumped. We are on episode number 4 of the EG track build. The 3-piece fiberglass front end, pause. And I want to show you guys the progress. Today, what we're doing it today. And after this, we might have one more episode on it. Fixing the back. Today, I'll show you pretty much and then we'll see what's up. Then I'll tell you guys what I mean. Okay. Check me out, boys. I put the Ray EG rims for now on it. Figure give it the style of complete rims look. You know what I'm saying? This is wider than the other ones I have. Even though I'm not racing with that. Check me out. Check out the progress on the bumper so far. Sand it all down because the parts that I fix, everything it meets now, it goes where it's supposed to be. Just need to go back a little bit with the screw, but that's it. Everything lines up good, nice and fixed. Fixed up part. Of course, as I sanded the paint off, I found more spots I gotta fix. So that's why I said one more episode, because I'm gonna have everything knocked down by then. So in this one we're gonna fix all this little stuff. Then the last episode we'll do the back repair with the fiberglass, but wanna knock like all these little things down. All the little knickknacks that need to be addressed. The littlest things now. Like I wanna rebuild the holes, you know. Refill them, do new holes and stuff so I don't look like that, you know what I'm saying? Little knickknacks. But I figured I'd show you guys the progress, the improvement, or the transformation if you must say, because I just looking money, man. Just looking sick. Glare of the sun takes a little bit, but the looks is right there. Lower the hood real quick. I just love it, boys. I like how it's looking. Parts is official. Do they need a TLC? Of course. But look at that look. Look at the big mouth on it. Looking sick. Like that look. I can't wait to throw in the new rims. Those right there are 15 by 8 right now. And let me show you something. Even the fenders are white. There they stick out. 15 by 8 meets right here. Exactly. So the 15 by 9, they definitely gonna come out through here. And by the time you put the tires will be like out here this much. I can't wait. That's the look I'm looking for. Wanna be able to fill in the whole gap. You know what I'm saying? Especially with the skinnies in the back. The way it looks. It just insane. Gets to that track look. But right now, so far, not bad, man. I'm digging it. Alright, so we're gonna get to this. We're gonna start fixing this repair in the front. Knock all them things down so that hopefully in this video at the end we could at least have that bumper in primer. The front. And then the back, we do the last repair. And then we are gonna undercoat the back of it at the end to give it a final look, like a complete solid uniform look. And that will be the last episode on this repairing the 3-piece front end, which you guys could do at home. So without further waiting, let's get to it. All right, check it out, boys. Sand the fenders, simply sand the fenders off. I spent at least a good hour in each fender. I took out all the old bundle that I had for no reason and the old primer. Look at that. The fenders came back alive. They got little cracks in here and there. within the material, but nothing that could be sanded, fill, or even prime. For the time being, I'm gonna leave them flat white, just because I don't know what changes are gonna be doing to the car. Obviously, if I would have painted that front end, I would have lost my money. So onto the upgrades I've done, I'm not painting her. I'm rocking her with the stickers. She's almost done, so I could take it out to the track, enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? I'm still gonna be happy that I'm, you know, representing and rocking it. So maybe next year, I like to take out the stickers, the vinyl wrap, get it sanded in primer, and then repaint it a new color, which I was thinking of getting it like electron blue, the one that comes on the S2000 SI. Or if I didn't do the electron blue, just do Milano red, which that's her original color. She was red in the title, so I don't know. But we're looking good, boys. I'm stoked. Definitely the look I was looking for. Like I say, you know, we do upgrades little by little, you know what I'm saying? You do what you can with your budget. I didn't mind with the custom front end. Just I had a chance to get the real deal, so I went for it. No shame in doing your own work, your own custom stuff and rack it. Like, don't get me wrong, if I get another EG coupe or something, I will use that front end. But yeah, she's looking good, especially with the rims though. I don't dig the gold with on colors, but the design, at least it goes with the back ones, you know, within that BMS team. You know what I'm saying? I dig it. Again, the front end coming out good. Figure I'd show you guys. I was gonna sand them, clean them up. You know, it look more presentable showing the bumper like this, with the fender cleaned up somewhat, than the way it was full of bundle, and it make it look like I did it, and I didn't bundle the fenders. I just had them on for reference wise, so I could work on the bumper. But yeah, they both cleaned up real good. You could tell that they used to be in good condition, and you know, life, man, you know, they got beat up, you know, normal tear and wear. But the fender, that was in real good condition, almost new condition, better than the bumper. The bumper, you see, I had to touch it up everywhere, had to cut them to match the fender's design. That I had a little more work hours, may not work into it, but worth the time. It's a good look I'm going for, and I can't wait, boys. So we'll pick this up tomorrow, and we'll start fixing those little knick-knack things. We'll see, like little things now, like that right there. We got another crack right there that I didn't see until we sanded the paint off. Now we just do little shit. So now it makes it more fun being this almost finished. So see you guys tomorrow. All right, boys, same procedure. Put the tape. So when I do the epoxy, over here doesn't run everywhere. I'm just gonna fill in these holes. Pause. Same over here, this broken one, we're gonna fill in with epoxy. Right here, so we're gonna pretty much fill it up, all of them, and re-drill new holes. So rebuilding the whole bumper little by little bit. Later on, I'm gonna fill that in, and then we'll move on to the bottom. And hopefully we should be good with that. Get it. Alright, check it out, boys. So I just finished filling all this. Still got a little spots. This hole gotta fill, this gotta get filled. I run out of bundle class, so we're not gonna use it now. Gotta repair as much as there. It's wet right now because I washed it. Just to rinse it out, get the dust off of it, so I don't have to put on the dash and the hatch all dusty. But again, a lot of stuff was fixed. Over here in the corner, you guys remember, over here there was the other crack. I ended up sanding this, making this all even. Like superficial cracks, not as cracked in half, it's just like the material, so I still gotta touch it up at the end, just like that stuff, you see what I mean? But it's all filled in, it's on one piece. Check out the tops, fill them up, shape them up nice and neat, same shape. The top as well. Excuse me, the top as well. As you guys see, I filled up the holes. It's all sealed, ready to get put back. Drilled the new holes again, and I can't wait. Right now I'm not gonna prime it because I'm waiting until it's fully finished. That way, so I could take care of the little stuff that I gotta take care of, and we'll coat it a couple times in primer. But I'm stoked, man. I'm gonna throw in the hatch real quick and see how it looks. All right, let's check out the progress, my peeps. Done drilling the holes. You guys do my judge. Definitely see a lot of progress in the bumper. We fixed all that up. It was pretty bad. It's like little things now that I gotta fix. Go pinpoint on. But all these hatches got fixed. All of that. All of this got fixed. All around. With that. Just like little fine scratches that I have. I gotta get some body fitting. I run out of materials, but I want to show you guys the process. It's all done. It's all fixed. Check out my tops, how they look now after I fixed them. I'm gonna go right there. Boom. Check that out. Same shape. Same with this side. Falls into place and boom, right there. Perfect. Doesn't get better than that. Check it out. Alright, put it back on. Got the jack stands because these fenders, they don't bolt things like OEM fenders, which is a screw over here. No, they don't bolt on like that. I have to figure out how to build new rat bars through the back. They could connect to the bumper, so it'll keep it in place. For each side, the fender, not so sure. We have to. But overall, I'm looking at it and it looks good. Doesn't have to match like everybody's shape. Like I tried my best. Something that was fixed home, you can't even tell, you know what I'm saying? It was good. Same with this side. Looks pretty good, not too bad. Overall, look good. Just to see the shape, it look good. Nice fix. On pump, you look for it. Big mouth. It's coming on. Alright boys, so we're gonna wrap it up on this one, and I will see you guys in the last episode of fixing the bumper. And the fenders right now, at the moment, I don't know if I'm gonna touch them up or anything. Like I said, they got little marks that just scratches within the material, the fiberglass. They're not crack or anything, so no sense of putting no bundle right now on it. So I'm just gonna leave on that white. And we're gonna hold up in the future because I don't know if I'm gonna get the car fully wrapped or we're gonna take out the full stickers and wrap and get the car prepped for paint. So, but I'm stoked. Once this is done, for the last episode, we're gonna paint it white, do the back, undercoat it, and the bumper should be fixed. I'm gonna leave it white so it matches that white look, OEM look from factory. Like. With that being said, boys, appreciate every single one of you that has subscribed, like, and comment on the channel. I thank every single one that have just joined the channel. I welcome all of you. Everyone that's interested in my videos, my DIYs. These are for you guys to learn at home. Hope you guys like. Please subscribe to like and comment. Until next time, peace.